How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, we have learnt about a pronoun. Yes? Pronouns takes the place of noun. Okay. Pronoun has subject pronoun and object pronoun. Okay? Subject pronoun. What is this example? She ate an apple. She becomes the subject pronoun. Okay. Object pronoun means here Rita ate it. Here it is the object pronoun. Okay. See your book, all of you, page number 35. Okay. Here what is the subject pronoun? A subject pronoun takes the place of the subject in a sentence. So here what is this? This is subject part. So subject pronoun takes place the subject of the sentence, as well as object pronoun takes place the object of the sentence. Okay, is it clear everybody? And now here singular subject is there, singular object is there. Okay, likewise plural subject is there, plural object pronoun is there. Understood everybody? So let us see what are the singular subject pronouns. Okay, I, you, he, she, it. What did you observe here, children? Singular means single members only. Singular means single members only. Okay, singular. I, you, he, she, it. Okay, and here see object pronoun here, single only. Me, you, him, her, it. Is that clear everybody? Singular subject. Okay. I, you, he, she, it. Singular object. Me, you, him, her, it. Okay. Now see the example then. I like your dress. I like your dress. This is subject part. All of you have seen? I is the subject part here. Okay. Here Sarala can see him. Him is the object part. Singular object. Okay children. Did you understand here? Okay. Next. Plural. Okay. Plural. We. More than one. Plural means more than one. We. You. They. Okay. And here plural. Us. You. Them. Okay. Us. You, them. Plural. Plural subject, plural object. Understood everybody? Subject part. They are friends. Here subject part is, see, plural subject part. They. Okay. Here you see, Papa gave us few books. Papa gave us few books. What it became? Plural object part. Plural object part. Did you all understand here? Okay, all of you see into your workbooks children. Okay, pronouns takes the place of nouns. A subject pronoun takes the place of the subject in a sentence. Okay, a subject pronoun takes the place of the subject in a sentence. Okay, an object pronoun takes place of the object in a sentence. Okay, children. So here she ate an apple. She is subject. Okay. Rita ate it. Okay. It becomes your object pronoun. Okay children. All of you got it clear? Okay. Now you see, read the list of subject and object pronouns. See the table there. Subject pronouns singular. Okay. And plural. I, you, he, she, it is the singular subject pronouns. And we, you, they are the plural subject pronouns. Okay, got it clear? Next, object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it. They are the singular object pronouns. Object pronouns. And us, you, them are the plural object pronouns. Okay, children? Me, you, him, her, it are the singular object pronouns, and us, you, them are the plural object pronouns. Okay children, got it clear everybody? Now you see examples of subject pronouns. I like your dress. Okay, I is subject pronoun. Okay, can you help me? Okay, object pronoun. They are friends. Subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun here? They. Okay. Sarala can see him. Him is the object pronoun. Okay children? Okay. Now children, all of you look at your exercise 3.1. Write whether the underlined pronouns are subject pronouns or object pronouns. First one is done for you. Okay. He threw the ball to me. What is that? Me. Me is the underlined word. So what is me here? Subject or object? That is object pronoun. Okay. Next one. It bit me hard. Okay. What is the underlined word children? It. What is it? Subject pronoun. You have to write here subject pronoun. Okay. Next. Alifia gave her an ice cream. Okay. Her is what? Object pronoun. What is her here? Object pronoun. You have to write here object pronoun. I do not know that. I do not know that. Here underlined word is I. So what it becomes? Subject pronoun. Okay. Subject pronoun. Next. The teacher did not call him. Here. What is this? Him. Object pronoun. Okay. Next. We are very happy to hear that. We. Underlined is we. So what is this? Subject. Okay. Subject pronoun. Is it clear children? Okay. He threw the ball to me. Me is object pronoun. It bit me hard. It is subject pronoun. Alifia gave her an ice cream. Her is object pronoun. I do not know that. I is subject pronoun. The teacher did not call him. Him is object pronoun. We are very happy to hear that. We is subject pronoun. Okay. Everybody write down in your workbook. Okay children. Okay children, all of you see next one, passage is given there. Okay, replacing nouns with pronouns. Okay, we have to replace the nouns, means again and again same noun has been repeated. So we have to replace that noun into pronoun. Okay, see there, Mohit can see Sahil. Mohit waves to Sahil. Mohit greets Sahil. What are the nouns repeated here again and again? Name of the persons. Yes, Mohit and Sahil. Okay, did you observe there? Okay, now we have to replace them. Here we can use he in the place of Mohit. In the place of Mohit, we can write he. Okay, and him in the place of Sahil. Okay, in the place of Sahil, we can use him. After the first time. Okay, after the first time means first time as it is we have to write. In the second sentence we have to replace the nouns into pronouns. See the answer there everybody. Mohit can see Sahil. Okay. He waves to him. He waves to him. Here who is he? Mohit. Mohit waves to him. What is him here? Who is him? Sahil. Okay, so Mohit can see Sahil. He waves to him. He greets him. Who greets him? He is who? Mohit. Yes. In the place of Mohit, we have written here he, and in the place of Sahil, we have written here him. Okay, children. So Mohit can see Sahil. He waves to him. He greets him. All of you got it? Okay. Next exercise 3.2. Okay. See your workbook, children. All of you look at your workbooks. Okay. Rewrite the sentences with the correct object pronouns for the underlined noun. Okay. First one is the fairy gave Meera 3 wishes. Okay. Here underlined part is what? Meera. Meera is the underlined noun. So here we have to replace it into pronoun. Instead of writing Meera, we have to write her. Okay. The fairy gave her 3 wishes. The fairy gave her 3 wishes. Okay, children. Next one, second one, what is that? Mother read a story to Poonam and Shreya. Here, more than one member is there. So, for that you have to replace into pronoun Poonam and Shreya. You have to replace that as them. Okay. So, mother read a story to them. Instead of writing both of their names, we have written pronoun them. Okay. Next. Papa gave Farhan and me a few books. Okay. Farhan and me means it becomes us. Underlined noun. Farhan and me. Here we have to write us. Same as it is, you have to rewrite the sentence. But wherever underlined noun is there, we have to replace it with pronoun. Okay. Papa gave us a few books. Understood, children? Okay. Next one. The clown did a trick for the students. The clown did a trick for the students. The students. We can write in the place of the students them. Okay, children? The clown did a trick for them. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. One. The teacher gave Ayaz a new book. Okay. The teacher gave, instead of writing Ayaz, we can write him. The teacher gave him a new book. Okay. Next one. The baker gave the cake to Meera. The baker gave it to Meera. Instead of writing the cake, that is a thing. So, we have written here it. Pronoun it. Okay, children? So, the fairy gave her 3 books. Okay? We have changed her. Okay? We have changed Meera into her. Okay. Next one. Mother read a story to them. Okay. Next one. Papa gave us a few books. The clown did a trick for them. The teacher gave him a new book. The baker gave it to Meera. Okay, children? Okay. Write down in your book. Workbook. Exercise 3.1 is your homework. You have to write one time exercise 3.1 in your homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.